In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your videos in CapCut. Whether you're looking to make your content more fun, engaging, or just want to add a little extra personality, emojis are a fantastic way to do it. CapCut, a popular video editing app, makes this process simple and highly customizable. If you're not already using CapCut, it's a free and powerful tool that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in your device's app store and follow along with this tutorial. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Create New option. This is your starting point for every new project. By selecting this, you're beginning with a clean slate, which helps keep your edits organized and makes the entire process smoother. Next, you'll want to select the blank canvas option. This step gives you total control over the look and feel of your video. Starting from scratch ensures that your final product will be exactly how you envision it. Now, tap the area marked for Video Import. Depending on your app version, this may appear as Add Media or simply a plus sign. Once you've done that, choose a video clip from your device to import into the workspace. This video will act as the foundation for your edits, so pick the one you want to work with. After importing your video, locate the Elements option in the toolbar. This is where CapCut stores all the fun extras like stickers, shapes, and emojis that can add a creative touch to your project. Once you're in the Elements menu, use the search bar at the top and type in the word emoji. Doing this will narrow down the options and display only emoji graphics, making it much quicker and easier to find what you need. Take your time scrolling through the available emojis and select one that fits the theme or vibe of your video. Whether you're going for something playful, dramatic, or trendy, there's bound to be an emoji that works perfectly. Once you've chosen the emoji, drag it directly onto your video timeline. This action places the emoji on top of your video clip, effectively layering it into your project. From here, you can adjust the emoji's position, size, and placement on the video. Feel free to move it around or resize it until it looks just right. Remember, the goal is for the emoji to enhance your video, so make sure it complements the overall composition. If you want to add more emojis, simply repeat the process. You can include as many as you'd like to give your video that extra flair. Just keep in mind that too many elements can sometimes clutter the screen, so aim for balance and creativity. Once you've finished adding emojis, it's time to review your video. Play it back to see how the emojis interact with the rest of your content. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry, CapCut includes an undo option, so you can easily make corrections and fine-tune your edits. And that's it, you've successfully added emojis to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.